Ratios can be used to find rates and unit rates. A rate is a ratio of two quantities having different units. But a unit rate compares a quantity to one unit of another quantity. In other words, one of the numbers has to be the number 1. Finding a unit rate. A car travels 605 miles in 11 hours. We can use a table to help us find unit rates. First, set up the table with distance and time. Then record 605 miles in the 11 hours. Now we need to change the time to be 1 hour because we want to know how far the car travels in 1. To do this, we are going to divide by 11 because 11 divided by 11 is 1. Whatever you do to one piece of the ratio, you must do to the same thing to the other piece of the ratio, just like we do with fractions. 605 divided by 11 will give us 55 over 1. So the car is traveling 55 miles per 1 hour. We can also use this to find equivalent rates. You earn $35 for washing 7 cars. How much do you earn for washing 4 cars? Again, we set up the table as earnings and cars. We can record the $35 for the 7 cars. Now, but we want to figure out for 4 cars. So the first step is to divide by 7 to find the unit rate. Dividing both numbers by 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1, 35 divided by 7 is 5. That tells us that we are doing $5 for every car. Now we want to know 4 cars, so we take both numbers times 4. 4 times 1 is 4 for our 4 cars. 5 times 4 is 20, so we would be earning $20. 3 more practice problems. Write the unit rate for each situation. $32 saved in 4 weeks. We want to find the price for 1 week that we saved, the money we saved in 1 week, so we divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, so we saved $8 per week. 1,253 calories in 7 servings. Again, we want to find calories for 1 serving. So we're going to divide by 7. There are 179 calories per serving. 247 students in 13 classes. We want to find out how many students in 1 class, so we're going to divide by 13. There are 19 students per class. Last one is a word problem. Jean earned $60 for mowing 5 lawns. How much does Jean earn for mowing 15 lawns? Well, first we have to find the unit rate. How much money does Jean earn for mowing 1 lawn? We'll do 60 divided by 5 to find out that she makes $12 per lawn. We want to know for 15 lawns, so we're going to multiply the $12 times 15. Jean will earn $180 for 15 lawns.